Hello everyone, myself Bhargavanaj. Today I am going to present the topic Adaptive Cyber Policing Management to Diffuse the Fake Government of India, Fake Government of Telangana and Cyber Criminal Legacy for Secure Digital India. Let us go to the introduction. We have encased the baneful side of the internet for a case study of indivisible cyber crimes. The rest of the paper is organized as follows. Section 2 presents PGF publications, Software Engineering Students March 2021 video, presentation links. Research gap on the charge sheet of FIR I. There was mention for supplementary charge sheet field when A2 is filed, but the supplementary charge sheet was not filed by the police department. In the FIR I police department, case closed without convocation and prohibition orders of cybercrime case. It was very unbelievable that the Cyberabad police station, which is a professional organization, they failed to file charge sheet on FIR 2. The KPHB police station filed the charge sheet on FIR 1. Another research gap was the list of persons not available 2500 unknown registrations of the cybercrime case study. In the objective of research, the main objective of the paper is national thinking of IT remedy for national laws. So there is no recurrence of similar kind of cybercrimes in future. Our research work is intended to prevent further spreading of this kind of similar cybercrimes. This means that there will be no similar fake governments coming up online in the future. To recover the national conscious prevents or recover cybercrime legacy. In the research methodology, we are approaching two methodologies for the cybercrime case study. These are 1. Social software methodology and the second one is website 30 development methodology. The founder of PGF forum is Professor K. Chandrasekharayya Garu and cyber policing researchers such as Professor K. Chandrasekharayya, Malati S. Ravikumar, Sri Hari Rao, Ramesh Babu, Atma Rao. And the about topic findings and recommendations. We find a cybercrime through the Wayback Machine. It is a web forensic tool to get archived versions of the websites. We are cyber policing to the cybercrime case. In that, fake website 2500 persons are registered unknowingly in the JNTH academic environment. The guidance to GOI, GOT, GOAP recommendation for issuing probation orders for these types of cybercrimes and the scope for further research. There is an immense scope for research on the cybercrime case study. We are giving awareness of the cybercrimes in the society through various social software and website development methodologies. But it is not sufficient. India has a population of 130 crores, so that for every citizen has come forward for similar kinds of process, which we follow. It is the best process for diffusing these types of cybercrimes in future. In the objective of research, the main objective of the paper is national thinking of IT remedy for national laws. PGF is to make sustainable management of positive digital transformation in higher education a reality by successful cyber policing to diffuse the FGOI, FGOT kind of online fake governments in India. In this direction, we present a profile of our cyber policing studies and approaches. We aim at the development of positive quality of digital national life, QODNL, of netizens for secure digital India. Our work contributes to prevent the recurrence of the incidents of a FGOI, FGOT kind of online fake government. A developed system of networked websites with the details about such organizations to develop community settings for secure digital India. This is free from India abusive cybercrimes is presented. The rest of the paper is organized as follows. Section 2 presents PGF publications, Software Engineering Students, March 2021 video presentation links. Section 3 presents PGF publications, Modern Software Engineering Students, March 2021 video presentation links. Section 4 presents PGF publication, Modern Software Engineering Students, March 2021 video presentation links of 51 students. Section 5 presents cyber policing R&D work of PGF members information given in the cyber policing R&D chief Professor K. Chandrasekharayya web page. And going to the table 1 and table 2, table 3, table 4 and table 5 depict cyber policing for the software engineering problem of cybercrimes case study. Remedially explored. Students studied PGF research publications and created YouTube links for giving awareness to the pupils in the society. The paper is organized as Research Gap Section 2. objective of the research in section 3, research methodology in section 4, and findings and recommendations in section 5, future scope for research in section 6, and conclusions in section 7. It's a great opportunity to present this presentation as given by us, sir. Thank you.